So it stopped at this little gas station. This is right over the border, maybe 20 miles west of Teec Nos Pos, Arizona. So right over the Arizona border, coming in from New Mexico, just south of the Utah border. It's like Red Mesa Trading Post, I think is the name of this place. But we're sitting here, we're chilling out, and we'd been there for like 15 minutes. And then we were getting ready to go, and this wind just comes out of nowhere, like these 25, 30 mile an hour, maybe even 40 mile an hour gusts of wind. You can see a girl here ducking her head down because there's so much dust coming through. Basically, every crack and crevice that dust could find to get into, it did. We were all super dirty at the end of this ride. But yeah, we just been chilling there. And, you know, when you're from the East Coast, like I'm from the Appalachians, or Appalachians, if you want to be fancy about it. When you get out there and you go ride across the country like this, and you get to see these things and experience them, it's super cool. Like, you know, you could tell by the clouds. There was a lot of weather moving around that day. It didn't actually rain on us this day, but the next morning we were at Monument Valley, which is where we're headed to in this video. But the next morning it rained so crazy for probably 2 to 3 hours while we were in Monument Valley. It was just an epic storm, and we don't really see that on the East Coast that much. We see like 30-minute thunderstorms, and that's about it. But you can see it kind of let off there for a little bit, and then it starts back up, and then all these tumbleweeds start rolling in. You can see the one little one there, and then there's another one. But you know, here in a minute, there's a couple big ones come in, and one of them come over here, and he clunks into this guy's bike, and he ends up picking it up like a fish. You know, that's just a cool thing. I mean, that is the reason to get off your butt and get on a motorcycle and start doing these cross-country trips and just going around and riding. And I'm going to be honest with you, Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, Arizona are 4 of the best states to go ride in. Like, I'm going to guess we're maybe an hour from, there's the big one clunking into him and he picks it up. I think that's funny. But we're probably an hour from the Four Corners Monument, you know, the Four Corners, Colorado, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, where they all come together. And this is all Navajo Native American land when you're riding through here. And it's just such an amazing place to go see. Plus, you know, I've never seen a tumbleweed in my life, and here I've got them rolling around me and running into me and stuff. That's just, it's a cool experience. So if you haven't already done cross country, you need to get off your butt, go do it. It's not as hard as you think. It's a lot of fun. You make a lot of memories, and you see a lot of cool stuff that you don't normally get to see. So get out there and do it. Thanks for watching. That's all I got.